Microsoft Flight Simulator?
Yeah.
Holy
and then
shit.
these are just, this is stuff that are for the mechanics, not the pilots. This is for AC. Or not this. Where is AC? I think we're. Okay, all of this is for like the rate. Oh shit! What the fuck?
What's up?
I mean, hey, we're climbing to 40,000. I guess this is autopilot's way of doing it.
Me and you, we'll put the grand in pounds. And we'll put the great in grandparents.
Oh my god, this is ass.
What are you playing?
This is the first level of the water gauntlet.
No, it's so good. What the fuck are you talking about?
Yo, I
mean,
beat
half
Cash
the gameplay
Plenish.
is okay, and the other half is like,
No, it's all good, bro. You're just bad.
I wouldn't say that.
No, it's all really good.
The best.